Friends, do you want to start your journey in web development? Today on Ship's Web Series, we'll begin an amazing HTML tutorial. Get ready for a whole new world. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the foundation of every web page. Imagine a structure that can bring your ideas to the web. Understanding the skeleton of a web page is essential. This structure looks something like this, and the head section is where you add your page's meta-information and links. It's the unseen hero that organizes everything. The body section is where you place the actual content of your web page, text, images, and links. How do basic HTML tags like and work? Let's see them in action. Attributes within HTML tags bring a new twist. For example, defining an image's size or a link's color. The journey of the web is incomplete without links. Let's learn how to connect one page to another. An image can say 1,000 words. Here's how to make your pages visually attractive. Tables help you organize data. Let's learn the easy way to create a table. Forms allow you to collect user input. Let's create a feedback form using HTML. Today, semantic tags are in trend, making your HTML more structured. A web page feels incomplete without audio and video. Let's embed media elements into a page. With responsive design, your page can fit any device. This is the future of web design. HTML and CSS are incomplete without each other. How does external CSS work? Let's see. When paired with HTML, JavaScript can make your web page more interactive. Let's learn a basic example. Errors are common in web development. Learning how to debug and test is crucial. By using advanced HTML techniques, you can take your pages to the next level. Along with theory, a practical project is essential. Let's create a simple portfolio website. Today's journey ends here, but the journey of web development has just begun. Stay connected with Ship's Web Series and subscribe for new tutorials.